As part of our partnership with the Water Commons, we wanted to make sure we incorporated water, and especially Lake Michigan, into our camp. So we've come down here for the afternoon to let the kids play in the water and to help them respect Lake Michigan and to understand the importance of taking care of the lake.
What is one of the things I said that's our responsibility? I used the word, we do what to the water?
Take care of it.
We take care of it. We're caretakers of the water.
We conserve it.
We conserve it, yeah. We want it to stick around. We want it to stay clean.